Working on Paddington's hoop trick. Seems to be having a little bit of trouble today. You gonna swim through the hoop? Come on. Swim through it. You gotta go through the hoop, buddy. Come on. Come on down here. Come on. You gotta go through it, not around it. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Here you go. Here's your treat. Good boy. He did it. Each day we'll move it a little bit closer to the middle.